Hello friends, today we'll study another pattern program. Pattern program, as I already mentioned, is very important in case of the board exam. There is hardly a paper which doesn't contain a pattern program. So this time we'll study a pattern which is very similar to the pattern we studied last time. Only difference is that the output is more or less same, only the shape is different. This is triangular shape. So first let us study the program. As usual, we have imported the classes belonging to the util package. This has been done with the intention to use the scanner class which belongs to the util package. We have named the class as pattern2. We have created a single function program, and that single function is main. As we know that main is the most important function of any programming languages like C, C++, and Java. After that, we have declared few integer variables, I, J, K. These three variables we are using for the loop. I for the external loop, K for the spacing, and J for actual printing. And N, we are using N to take the input of number of lines. So first, we are creating an object in of the scanner class. And then we are requesting the user to enter number of lines. Now the number of lines entered by the user has to be gathered from the console and placed in some variable. For this, we are using this line. N is equal to in.nextInt. In is an object of scanner class, and using that we are invoking the function nextInt, which is able to take the input from the console in integer form and then stores it in N. That means number of lines which the user has given is stored in variable N. Now we are having three loops. As I explained earlier, the first loop is the external loop is for number of lines. So for I is equal to 1 to n, if value of n is 5, that means loop will execute from 1 to 5 and we will have 5 iterations. That means we will have 5 lines in our output. Second loop k will generate the number of spacing. And the third loop j, it will create the actual printing. So in k loop, what we find that k loop is executing from 1 to k less than I. Now the initial value of k is 1, it is fixed. But the value of I is changing. As the value of I increases, the number of iteration will also increase in case of k loop. For example, in the first line, when the value of I is 1, then the k loop will not execute because it is k less than 1. So the loop will not execute and nothing will be printed. But in the second line, when the value of I is 2, then k will execute from 1 less than 2. That means it will iterate one time and one spacing will be printed before the second line. In the third line, two spacing will be printed. And likewise, as the number of line increases, the spacing before the line will also increase. Here we find, you see, the spacing is increasing. The spacing is increasing and this is generating the triangular shape. And printing is done using J loop. Now printing commences from I and the value of I is variable. That means value of I is the line number. As the line number increases, so what will happen? The number of asterisk will decrease. For example, when the value of I is 1, then loop will iterate from 1 to 5. That means 5 asterisks will be printed. When the value of I is 2, then 2 to n, 4 asterisks will be printed. When it is 3, then 3, 4, 5, 3 asterisks will be printed. Now the difference between this and the previous program is that here is a spacing. If we omit this spacing, we'll still get a triangular form, but not in the shape which is shown here. So what makes the difference between this and the previous program is simply this space. All right. And after that, system.print line has been used to create the new line after each iteration. You see, for the spacing and for asterisks, we have used print. That means we want to print in the same line. And at last, we have used print line so that after every iteration, a new line comes. Now let us execute this program. Right click on the pattern 2 and compile it. Once the compilation is done, again right click on it and run the program. The program asks us to enter the number of line. So we will enter the number of line in the program. For example, number of line is 5. So we get this triangular pattern. Hope you have enjoyed this program. For watching similar program, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.